Yeah, yeah. Tired of the same old look this Christmas. Ready for your holiday decor to truly shine. Stop scrolling, you've arrived at the perfect place. Welcome to the holiday decor station. At home with Lisa Lisa. I'm sharing my whole lifestyle right here. Get ready for do-it-yourself projects, holiday decorating, and a peek inside my beauty lounge too. I'll give you everything you need to make your home sparkle, glow, and shine.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa Lisa. Hi love bugs, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to click on this video today. And if you're returning, welcome back. I so appreciate each and every one of you guys. So today you all, this is going to be a quick one for you. This is going to be me styling a countertop area in my kitchen for a hot cocoa bar. This is going to be something that's easy and simple to set up for your family for the Christmas season. So guys, go ahead and grab your drink, grab your snack, sit back and relax as I create this simple, easy, and also too guys, budget-friendly cocoa bar for the Christmas season.
'Cause I know I have you. I just need you, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you made it all okay. Oh, it's a magic holiday.
First, we're gonna start off by creating our base. So I have decided to use some charcuterie stands here, and so I'm using the round wooden one on the bottom, and then to give it a little height, I'm adding this round stand on top. Having different elevations when you are creating a display or a hot cocoa bar, as what I'm doing here today, it makes it look a little bit more inviting, and it adds character to your design.
I just need you, and I know it will be a magic holiday.
To house all the ingredients that I plan on using in my cocoa bar, I've decided to use these cute mason jar glasses to put everything in. Now these mason jar glasses are airtight, and I love that. I did pick these up from the Amazon store, so you can check my Amazon storefront if you're interested in these clear glass jars. I love them. I think they're simple, and also whatever I decide to put in them, it's very visible. You don't have to open it up. You don't have to put labels on the jars. It's just simple and easy and very nice and neat for your cocoa bar.
I just need you, and I know it will be a magic holiday.
Of course, we cannot have a cocoa bar without giving it a little bit of decor to add to it. So I did pick up these square gift boxes from Amazon, and it goes very, very well with my theme, because I am using a plaid theme in all of my Christmas decor. So I thought this would be perfect for the cocoa bar. And of course, you guys know that I have used the bells throughout my home, so why not add it to the cocoa bar?
Darling, look at you on my mind.
label my hot cocoa bar, I decided to add this cute little sign that says warm up at the hot chocolate bar, you guys. And that is all we're going to be having here with this hot cocoa bar. We're just going to have hot chocolate. That is it. Y'all, I love me some hot chocolate during the winter season, especially during Christmas. So I've added these beautiful black and white trees here as well. And again, you must spruce up your space by adding some type of cute decor to it. So this is what we have so far. We've already added our marshmallows in there, and I chose to use the mini marshmallows rather than the larger ones. I just thought that, you know, it's just cute. It's just cute to me to use the little mini marshmallows. And as you guys see, it is very clear in these beautiful mason jar glasses, and we've added our cocoa into our other glass container, and then we have one more, and then we're just going to add some peppermint to it. So you can't have a hot cocoa or hot chocolate bar without some peppermint, you guys. Yes, yes, yes. So I am loving the look of it so far. And without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get into the final reveal. I just have a couple of more items to add and we will be done. Like I said, it was simple and it was easy, and it's perfect for this space in the kitchen. Everyone to have a cup of cheer with me. So instead of labeling the jars as to what is in the jars, I decided to not use the regular labels. I just decided to use the baby it's cold outside, so we need to grab a cup of cocoa. And y'all, look at these cute plaid spoons that I have. I think they are so cute and they are perfect for the space. I also added my kettle right here where we will be using to heat up our water. I thought it was perfect for the space and it fits really, really well. And then our mugs here are so cute with the plaid design, and I just decided to add the little sticker label on there that says cup of cheer. And yeah, you guys, this is my hot cocoa bar. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys will have a cup of hot chocolate with me. But everything you see here, besides the mugs, like the gifts wrap and the trees and the sign and the jars, I did pick those up from the Amazon store. So you guys can go to my Amazon storefront if you're interested in any of these items and pick them up there. Now, I want to wish everyone a safe and Merry Christmas. You guys enjoy yourselves and enjoy your families, and we will see you all in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below if you enjoyed the video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Sparkle, glow, and shine. My name is Lisa. Subscribe and come take this holiday journey with me. Oh, and by the way, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from my YouTube family to yours.